finally, after 2.5 years of waiting, Aboody has decided to make me my cheesecake. It has been 2.5 years.
Let's go.
You were too slow, man.
I know you were like.
Finally, after 2.5 years of waiting, Aboody has finally decided to do me my cheesecake.
Hey. Today we're gonna have a full, complete guide on how to do that cheesecake. So I hope you enjoy, and finally this guy is satisfied.
Finally, hey, cheesecake! Our delicious cheesecake will consist of 3 layers, starting off with a layer of brownie, followed by a layer of Oreos, and finally we add the cheese.
Here we have the ingredients for the perfect fudgy brownie. Starting with 80 grams of chunk chocolate and 3/4 a cup of butter that's going to be melted. 80 grams of shaved or finely chopped chocolate that is also going to be melted. 1 cup and 1/4 of a cup of white sugar. 1/4 a cup of cacao powder. 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. 2 eggs, and finally 1 teaspoon of salt.
We forgot to mention that you also need 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar. So for the final layer of the cheesecake, you will need 680 grams of cheese, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2 eggs, a lot of Oreos, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar.
This cheesecake is gonna be put in a 165 degrees oven for 45 minutes.
Yes, chef.
Let's go. After working for 6 hours, look at the mess that we have made. The brownie is cooked. The cheesecake no.
The moment of truth that we all have been waiting for the last 2.5 years. Has Aboody made a delicious cheesecake? Will it be a Jimmy or will it be a poop? We will see. We will see. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion on it. That's it. It's a Jimmy, man. Yo, this is so tasty. This was worth waiting 2.5 years for it. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, let Jimmy sit over here. Yes, Mr. Poopy. You can sit over here for now.
So let's try my own cheesecake.
As if you haven't tried it, yani. Here we go.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
عشان دياتك.
No. خلاص, next time if he wants anything, I will get it half. You know, you have half price, but I'll give him half time discount. So instead of 2 years, it'll be in 1 year. And next time it will be half a year until it comes in the same moment.
I'll be like 70 years old and Aboody still has 2 days left. So yeah, thank you all so much for joining. What? You know what? This is my honest opinion. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope that you enjoyed watching Aboody and myself prepare this cheesecake. It has been it's a process that took 2.5 years for him to mentally be prepared to prepare this cheesecake. And finally, the summer of 2020, Aboody has finally decided to make me my cheesecake, and it is delicious. But yeah, thank you so much for joining us today, and I hope that you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it as well. Make sure to smash that like button and also subscribe for more awesome videos. Anything to add, Aboody?
No, well, you said everything.
You can say, tell them to subscribe again.
No, they will see it in the other video.
Subscribe.
Subscribe or I will kill you.
Okay, goodbye.